Now, still on crime, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang is again insisting that the security forces remain committed to tackling the problem. His remarks come after a week of bloodletting across the island. Shamela Pullen reports.
It's been a week of multiple murders in several sections of the country. The police have been kept busy trying to restore order in areas like Marvelly St. Andrew, where 3 people were killed. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says criminals continue to change their strategy, which makes it even more challenging for the police.
It says 2 things. One, it tells you the brazenness of the criminals. It also tells you that our police officers are there. They responded and there was a chase almost immediately. And it tells you that the officers are not deploying and using the tools we are giving them in an effective manner. But the brutality of the attack, of course, raises public concern, and correctly so.
The National Security Minister also commented on the deadly stabbing at the William Knibb High School in Trelawney, where 2 students were fighting over a guard ring.
Kids at school arguing over a ring. Of course, some say this ring is supposed to have some extraordinary powers of protection. And we talk about obia, whatever it goes with it. And they kill each other. We have baby fathers killing baby mothers. The in-laws killing each other over property.
Despite the uphill task facing the security forces, the National Security Minister is expressing confidence that they are making headway in controlling the crime problem. Dr. Chang was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony of the Anchovy Police Station in St. James on Friday.
It comes under a particular program of the ROC program of the Ministry of National Security, a program being carried out in partnership with the Housing Trust, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, of course, and several other partners, in fact. So we have done police stations with the European Union, international partners, as well as coming from the Government of Jamaica budget.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.